angle grinder wiring problem. I opened this only. Okay. Slowly we can remove. Okay, armature removed. Okay, remove this cap. Okay, see inside. Bearing cap, sitting cap. See, armature bearing sitting cap. Okay, see, we have two coils. See, this is the one coil, this is one coil. Okay, see, first this coil, see this wire one and another wire this. Okay, two wires, this one and this one, long wire and one short wire. See, one long wire, one short wire. Okay, this coil and this one, see, this one, this side, see here, this short wire. Okay, this long wire, this wire is burned, failure. I extend this wire. One coil starting point and ending point, another coil starting point and another ending point. Okay, the small wire connected carbon brushes. First see here, small wire connected one carbon brush, and this side another small wire connected this carbon brush. Okay, remaining two wires we connected switch. See here, this is the switch. See, this is the switch. See this switch here, this switch. See, moving this. This is the switch. Connection wire we connected back side, phase and neutral. Remaining two long wires we are connected here one and here one. Enough. This wiring connections finished. see